Hey everyone, welcome to Philosopher's Tapestry. Today, let's talk about something that's on every ambitious young person's mind. How to make that first 1 crore. It sounds like a huge number, right? But here's the thing. Hitting your first crore isn't just about luck or having rich parents. It's about making smart moves early on. If you play it right, you can achieve this by the time most people are still figuring out life. Step 1. Shift your mindset. Think growth, not savings. Your journey to 1 crore starts with the right mindset. Most people think they'll save their way to wealth. But here's the truth. You can't save your way to 1 crore if you're earning a modest salary. You need to think about growing your income, not just cutting costs. Start by asking yourself, how can I earn more? That's the question every young millionaire asks. Instead of focusing only on saving 10,000 Indian rupees a month, work on ways to increase your earning potential. Could mean freelancing, investing in stocks, or learning skills that command higher pay. It's not about scarcity but abundance. Shift your thinking to, how much can I make? Instead of, how much can I save? Step 2. Build high-income skills. Skills are your ticket to financial freedom. If you're young, this is the best time to invest in yourself. Identify high-income skills that are in demand like coding, trading, digital marketing, or public speaking. Learn 1 or 2 of these and monetize them fast. In today's world, even skills like graphic design or content writing can fetch you thousands of rupees monthly. If you're into trading, for example, you can master swing or day trading, and that knowledge alone could add lakhs to your income. The key here is to start early. The sooner you develop these skills, the more time you'll have to scale. Step 3. Start multiple income streams. 1 income stream is no longer enough if you want to become a crorepati. Create multiple streams of income. Don't rely on just a single job, even if it's high-paying. Start freelancing, invest in dividend-paying stocks, or create content online that generates passive income. In your 20s, try experimenting with different side hustles, whether it's running a blog, selling courses online, or dabbling in crypto trading. Think of each income stream as a pipeline bringing in money. The goal is to diversify. If one stream slows down, the others can still support your growth. Step 4. The power of investing and compounding. Now let's talk about the real game changer, investing. The earlier you start, the more powerful your returns become thanks to compounding. If you invest 30,000 Indian rupees per month for 7 to 8 years in a mutual fund with a 12% annual return, you'll hit your first crore much faster than you think. You don't need to be a finance expert to start investing. Platforms like mutual funds, SIPs, stocks, and even index funds are accessible to everyone today. The important thing is to start small but stay consistent. Automate your investments so you don't even have to think about them. Compounding will do the rest. Step 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation, stay disciplined. Here's where many young people mess up. They start earning well and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. This is called lifestyle inflation. You get a raise and suddenly you're buying the latest iPhone, upgrading your car, or eating out every other day. If you want to hit that 1 crore fast, resist the urge to spend more as you earn more. Keep your lifestyle simple. Think of your extra income as a tool to invest and grow, not to spend. The people who reach 1 crore early aren't the ones living flashy lives. They're the ones who stay focused, invest smart, and only upgrade their lifestyle after hitting their financial milestones. Step 6. Track your progress and stay consistent. The journey to 1 crore is a marathon, not a sprint. It's easy to get discouraged along the way if things don't move as fast as you expected. That's why it's crucial to track your progress. Set yearly, monthly, and even weekly goals. Use tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets to stay on top of your finances. Consistency is the key here. Even if you can only save and invest a small amount today, keep at it. Small wins compound into big results over time. Review your goals regularly and adjust your strategies if needed. But no matter what, don't stop. Step 7. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. Finally, your environment matters. If you hang out with people who are always broke or complain about money, it'll rub off on you. Instead, surround yourself with ambitious people who are also working toward financial freedom. Join communities of traders, entrepreneurs, or professionals with similar goals. Learn from mentors or follow thought leaders in finance. The right community can push you to think bigger and stay motivated. If you absorb even 10% of their mindset, you'll be on track to hit that 1 crore in no time. Finally, reaching your first 1 crore might sound difficult, but it's absolutely achievable if you follow the right steps. Start with the right mindset, build high-income skills, create multiple income streams, invest consistently, and stay disciplined with your spending. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering money, emotions, and life. Remember, the only thing standing between you and 1 crore is your action. So, get started today.